This is at the Lincoln Building in Cleveland. Ooh, they got the new GAL mod. I like these. Yeah, these are nice. These were Otis Touch. They sadly got modernized. Oh, they only use boring white fixtures. I'm gonna pan it this way. It's a loud beeper. Excuse me. Oh, this is a garage? This is a parking garage. Wait a minute. I've been in this garage. I remember, this is the garage that also has those two defunct Otis Touches. I know this place. I've been in here before. There's a big manual freighter here, right? Yeah, okay, I know this place. And there they go. Look at the paint, it's chipping. That's it.